In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer a Webflow site to another account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on two methods on how to transfer your Webflow site. So first, for the first method, you can transfer the site directly. So sign into your Webflow account where the site is located. Now open the site settings, and usually you will be able to find the settings menu and then choose transfer site. Now type the email address of the person or account that you would like to transfer the site to, and you can confirm this transfer by clicking the transfer button. For the second method, you will be able to transfer a duplicate of the site. So start by creating a duplicate of the site that you want to transfer, leaving the original intact. With this copy, you will be able to repeat the steps that I mentioned before. So go over to the settings. Under the settings menu, you will be able to find transfer site, and then you can enter the recipient's emails. If the original site is no longer needed, you can remove the site plan to save costs, and if the duplicate site needs to be hosted, you can add a site plan to it instead. Be aware that if you are transferring a site within the same workspace, you can simply add the recipient as a collaborator with owner permissions to make this process simpler. If the site has a custom domain, you will need to transfer domain ownership to the new account as well. Ensure that the recipient has an appropriate hosting plan to host the transferred website, and the recipient should receive an email notification about the site transfer. Once this is completed, you will no longer have access to the site unless the new owner invites you as a collaborator. Before transferring the website, it is recommended to back up the site's files and database to ensure data integrity, and so you have a copy if anything goes wrong. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer a Webflow site to another account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.